Are you able to think in English language? If I talk about myself, so I am not able to think in English language right now. I mean, nowadays I am speaking English language. Every single day I speak English language, but not a whole day I speak. I speak only for 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours sometimes. Yes, and whatever I learn, I have to learn in Hindi language, right? So that is why nowadays I'm not fully focused only English language. I am learning some of the things, so that is why I'm unable to think in English language, right? But I am just trying, and I'm just speaking every single day. I'm learning so many things so that I also could think in English language. And if you are able to think in English language, so it is very good for you, and now you are getting fluency and your English will be up to the mark. Okay, so I just want to say one thing: how to think in English language. If I talk about myself, how will I think in English language? I mean, I'm also trying to think in English language nowadays. I'm speaking, but sometimes I stuck, I take pauses. Nowadays I'm speaking a little slower, right? But I'm trying and I'm practicing, right? So how to think in English language? See, my friend, it is very important to think in English language. Like, we should have an environment. I mean, we should make the environment of English language. So now I am not saying that you should go somewhere where the people should speak only English language. No, I'm not saying. I'm just saying simple one thing: we should do whatever we do, like reading, writing, speaking, and learning. Whatever we learn, just start learning everything in English language. If you are reading, so just try to read in English language. If you are writing, so try to write in English language. If you are speaking, so you are also aware about it. So if you are doing anything, try to do that thing in English language. Okay, and then you will see the change. Like, you will be able to think in English language. Yes, and the same thing I also need to apply for me. You know what, why I am not able to think in English language? Because before some time I was not speaking English language every single day. I used to speak, but only for 2 hour, 1.5 hour, and sometimes I did not used to speak even, in this much time as well. That is why my English is not so good. Okay, I used to work somewhere, because of those things I couldn't speak. I wanted to do something else, but I had to do something, something different. But now I am free for speaking English language, for learning English language, for studying. So that is why I'm not able to think right now in English language. But if we would try, if we try every single day to think in English language, and if we just make the environment of those things, whatever I shared with you, writing, reading, and listening, and whatever we do, just try to do it in English language, right? And you know what, one thing I also want to share with you, that is reminding. When we wake up in morning time, if you are able to speak English language, and if you are able to understand only English language, and you are not able to speak, so you can do after some time, when you will have knowledge about how to speak, right? So if you are able to speak, so do one thing: whenever you are free, just try to revise yourself. Like, whatever you did yesterday, yeah, I mean, whatever you had in food, whatever you took in your food, and whatever you learn. Okay, because of these things, we will be learning, and we can learn a lot of things with the help of our routine, right? Whatever we do every single day. Yes, and you can, I mean, whatever you will learn, you can revise it as well. Okay, your revision will be clear. Okay, and your English will be improved, right? So we can do both things simultaneously. We can learn two things, right? So that's why I'm saying that remind yourself. Okay, at what time have you had food, at what time uh, I mean, have you done this work, that work, whatever you do in your life, in your day, right? So this is what I want to share with you. So in this way we can think in English language. And I will also try, I will also follow these type of steps, so that I could also think in English language. Right now my English is not up to the mark, not so good. Even I am making mistakes. So my friend, mistake, everyone makes mistake, right? I'm learning from it. I will watch this video, I will learn from it. I mean, whatever mistake I made, I will just focus on it. I will just try to learn it, and I will improve my English language. So I'm saying that you should also try to speak if you are not able to speak. Okay, and if you are able to speak, so I appreciate you. Now your turn to think in English language, right? And in this way you can think in English language, you can be a fluent speaker of English language. So stay motivated, be focused, and don't break the consistency. Maintain the consistency, right? And you can become a fluent speaker. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.